I've just been home, changed the battery for my work commuting helmet battery, set the date because I still had the bloody wrong date on from Southport when the battery got changed at the Southport carousel bike meet. I didn't set the date, did I? And I put my new buffs on and they do feel a lot more wind resistant. I think they deteriorate. I think the little microfibre holes get stretched and it does feel a lot warmer. They're cheaping on the inside, £2.99, with a proper buff on the outside. What are you doing, Albert? I thought I'd go around the park for a look at the autumn colours. That old church dates from the 1200s apparently. Now then, I've resurfaced it since I was last up. When I came up once on Remembrance Sunday, it was terrible, all bumps and potholes. That looks like rain coming in, doesn't it? You see. I haven't strolled around that park since I was a young teenager. Meant to be squirrels in the woods, although I don't know if they're red or grey. Yes, looks like rain sweeping in. That's a gatehouse. There was once, I won't say a stately home, like a manor house, but it became a place where Polish wartime refugees stayed, and then it was demolished because it caught fire. Oh, look at that. Subsidence. So the autumn colours aren't really there yet, are they? The browns. Not quite. See another dawdler. What are you doing dawdling? That some kind of vegetation in the road that could have been nasty for the break time. Conker season, isn't it? No horses. Last time I was here and pressed the horse button, friend, some horses in all galloped away, even though they're over there in that field. Yes, the Ribble Valley. Only called that because there's a river called the Ribble in the bottom. So this is just a Tarzan horn test because I relocated it here facing backwards, you see. 8 different sounds, but it's tricky to get 2 of them because you have to press 2 buttons together. Let's give it a try. Oh, that's one of them with 2 buttons together, cavalry charge. The other one with 2 buttons together is a chicken, but it's crap. It just goes. That's not a proper chicken, is it? I know it's silly, but who else has got one of these? I keep asking that. Who else bought one back in the 1990s or early noughties from M&P in Swansea? So I'll go down them all. Horn. It's a silly donkey one. Why you want a donkey on a bike, I don't know. That's a good one, isn't it? Raw runner with the tongue waggle at the end. And finally the wolf whistle, which is very useful. So there we are. I might do a separate video of that just as a demo. Yes, it's silly, but aren't bikers all silly? Aren't we all a bit daft? After biking since 1983, I've come across lots of daft sods that are bikers. With strange senses of humour. I mean, look at YouTube, it's alright, buying pots on it. Last time I was here, I trod on a bloody dog turd. That's mud, I hope. They're buried in the grass. Yes, another thing I'd done, I had a spare one of them, £3.60 tribal stick-on chrome badges, so I stuck it on the front, in front of the Asian Hornets. Belly pan alright. I just crunched it into the curb. When I got home, I had one finger on the front brake and it wasn't sufficient to stop it. And it hit the bloody curb. I'll check the fixings when them crash boys come. Did I get a good view then to do a still shot of the side of the bike? You have to keep still, you see, otherwise it gets blurred. Blurred. Yeah, that's alright, isn't it? 2003. I'll go home, put kettle on. Sorry about the wrong date, being on a bike museum video. Always charge your batteries up, but you never know, do you? I wasn't planning on coming out, but when the sun broke through the window when I was on my laptop, I said to Adam, you never waste a bit of sunshine this time of year. And then fly tippers dumping bits of bloody underlay there. Knobs, aren't they?